Hi, I'm Donna from Magic Home, and welcome back to our fall drink series where I teach you how to make classic seasonal drinks in just a few easy steps. Today, we'll be making a yummy spiced apple cider. Let's get started.
You'll need brown sugar, ground cinnamon, vanilla extract, and apple cider or apple juice. For toppings, we'll be adding caramel sauce and whipped cream, but feel free to choose any toppings you like. For a recipe for two, begin with a medium-sized pot. Add in half a cup of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and half a cup of water. Grab a wooden spoon or whisk. Then bring your ingredients to a boil, ensuring you stir frequently. Once boiling, reduce the heat and simmer for another 5 minutes so the liquid thickens slightly. You've made your cinnamon syrup. Transfer the cinnamon syrup to a bowl and add 3 cups of apple cider or juice to your pot. Then, put in 4 tablespoons of the cinnamon syrup. Cook on medium heat while whisking the apple cider and cinnamon syrup together well. Once your cider is nice and warm, grab 2 mugs or heat-proof glasses and divide the cider amongst them. Top with whipped cream, caramel sauce, and a touch of cinnamon. If you have cinnamon sticks, add them in for a beautiful garnish.
And there you have it, a perfect steamy spiced apple cider with just a handful of ingredients.
Join us next time for the final episode of our fall drink series, coming soon.